Today we're going to show you how we clean our shower screen on our black resin shower tray to remove all the limescale that's built up. We've left it for a few weeks to let the limescale accumulate. Are we going to use this product? Frosch Cleaning Vinegar. Now we apply it generously all over the shower screen. Then we place a cloth over it to let it sit properly. And now we scrub. When applying the product, first I apply it directly, just this product. I spread it all over the screen. Then I wet it slightly and reapply it to make sure it foams. It creates a kind of foam. So we leave it to act for a few minutes. About 10 minutes. Once the foam appears, that's when I let it sit for 10 minutes. Usually cleaning all this is easier, but now it's more difficult because I'm recording with one hand and cleaning with the other. So it's a bit of a challenge, but it's easy. We'll clean the entire screen. We're showing one part now and then the other so you can see the difference, but this should be done across the entire screen. We spray the product and scrub. As you can see, there are white marks. From the limescale and everything, and we're removing all of it. While we finish cleaning the floor, I suggest you subscribe to see upcoming videos. You'll notice it's foaming because the screen already had a bit of water, the shower tray had some water. And the mix of water and product creates the foam I mentioned. Down below in the description, I'll leave you the product link we're using. While you watch how we're adding water and scrubbing with the cloth, you'll see the foam forming, just like in the shower tray. It makes this little foam. This foam is what I let sit for a few minutes before rinsing it off. You'll see the results soon. I'll also share a tip about what I do after each shower to prevent limescale buildup. Where I live, there's a lot of limescale. It's really hard to keep this clean. I usually do this once a week, but this time no. What you see now has built up over 2 or 3 weeks. I let it accumulate on purpose to make the video. But trust me, it's easier to maintain regularly than to let it build up and then clean it all at once. I'll also try to find the same shower screen and link it in the description. I also bought this on Amazon and it's really good. It's made of glass, which I hadn't mentioned. The screen is glass, and that's why the product works so well and removes everything easily. If it were plastic, it would be much harder to remove the limescale. It's certified glass and very easy to clean. Now that everything is rinsed off properly, we wipe it with a cloth or a paper towel. Kitchen paper. This removes all the excess water. And it gives it a nice shine, honestly. You can finish with a glass cleaner if you like, since it's glass, and the screen will look perfect. But even without it, you can already see the difference from the beginning of the video. This is the clean side. And the right side is the dirty one. On video, it doesn't fully show, but in person the difference is very noticeable. As I mentioned, this is what I do after every shower. It's hard now because I'm filming with one hand and wiping with the other. But if you hold the door, it works perfectly. Look, you just wipe all the water from the tray like this. And remove the excess water, which reduces the limescale left when water evaporates. When all the water evaporates, limescale remains. If you remove most of the water, less limescale builds up. I hope I explained that clearly. Sorry if I didn't. So that's everything. Let me show you a bit more. I usually do this after showering. And now everything's clean. You can see the difference, it looks way better. Just need to finish drying a bit more, but even with water still on it, it already looks better. Look at the difference from the start of the video to now. This product really works great against limescale, so you know, I'll leave it in the description. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next videos.